Paya Connect is an all-in-one virtual payment solution providing you with a single secure platform to meet your card acceptance needs. Accept credit, debit, and ACH. Payments can be accepted in person, over the phone, or even online. Paya Connect has the ability to set up automatic recurring payments for repeat customers and can also email an electronic invoice with a payment link for your customer to submit payment. Let's get started. You can log on to Paya Connect anywhere you have an internet connection. Using your username and password you received in your welcome email, log into the virtual terminal. Once logged in, you will see your dashboard. This is a snapshot of your business's overall activity. Let's run a transaction. From the menu bar on the left-hand side, click on Virtual Terminal. Here, you will enter in the transaction type as sale, the transaction amount, your customer's 16-digit credit card number, the expiration month, the expiration year, the cardholder's name, and you can also enter a description or a tag. If you would like to enter your customer's billing information, enter that here on the right-hand side. If this information will be used in future payments, you have the ability to vault all of this information simply by clicking on Save as Account Vault. Once complete, click on Process Transaction. A receipt will be generated with the transaction details. This receipt can be printed or emailed to your customer. You also have the ability to add your business logo to the top of the receipt as well. Paya Connect also has reporting features available. From the menu bar, click on Reports, and then on Transactions. This will show you an overview of recent transactions. By clicking on the Transaction Date tab, you can customize a date range for your report. The other columns up top are also customizable, so you are able to create a report that most suits your business needs. When viewing individual transactions, by clicking on the first icon, you are able to access the customer receipt again. If for any reason you need to send it to your customer, you can simply email it from here. By clicking on the second icon, a full transaction detail is available. From here, you can save a payment method, run another transaction, link to an existing contact, or void a transaction. All of these reports can be exported out for your convenience as well. Running transactions and managing your business from within Paya Connect is quick and easy, and has many advanced features to meet your business's individual needs. For more information, please reach out to your FiNet representative.